Alright, hungry peeps, welcome back to another episode of Moreno Eats today. And today we're going to whip up something really good. We're going to get our Keto Guido on with some Italian food going on today. Today we're going to make a keto style low carb lasagna. Very flavorful. I love lasagna, I love Italian food, and I love it even more when it's low carb and low sugar. So some of the ingredients that we're going to whip up today that's going to be in the lasagna, it's going to be some red pasta meat sauce on there, added on with some green bell peppers, onions, garlic, all that flavorful stuff. Another key ingredient that we're going to use today, that we're going to put on there, the yummy noodles on there. Low carb, FATHEAD dough noodles. Mixed in with almond flour, egg, what's that last one? Cream cheese. I'm sorry, I blanked out right there. Alright, now I'm going to stop talking because I'm going to bore you guys to death. So now let's get right into the recipe. Follow me. Alright, hungry peeps, you know what time it is. My favorite time. Time to eat. The moment of truth. Get a little scoop right here. It's a little hot, so let's blow on it. Really good, guys. Really good. Yeah. It's got a lot of sausage in it, a lot of ground beef that we got in the ingredients. And yeah, it's not too saucy. You know, depending how you guys like your lasagna, you guys can make it too saucy or too cheesy. But yeah, I like mine, you know, in between. I don't know. If you guys like it, leave comments below. See if you guys want to change up any of the ingredients, any advice that you guys want to give out too. And yeah, if any other new ingredients, or any new recipes that you guys want me to make, leave the comments below. And yeah, we'll get right into it. All right. Thanks, and yeah, enjoy your day.